Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 terabyte. You can see this is the battery capacity is 90 and 90%. The cycle count is 615. Okay, this is unlocked one, and this is LL means this US version, and you can see the charging port. Okay, no problem. Here, no problem. The condition is very good. And let me show you. Here is also 1 terabyte 15 Pro Max 1 terabyte 88%. This is 84% 1 terabyte. This is the iPhone 512 gigabyte. You can see this is 85%. Also LL. You can see no SIM card slot here. No SIM card slot. And let me show you the device information. iPhone 15 Pro Max LL US version and 512. Okay, this is no SIM card restrictions. Only can use the eSIM. Okay, let me show you the battery. You can see 86%, 705 times cycle count. Okay, the condition is very good. There's a beautiful color. A beautiful color. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone. Okay. This is unlocked one, 86%, 512 gigabytes. Okay. This condition also minor scratch. You can see the charging port. Okay. Okay. See you in the next video.